if you got to talk the talk, you got to walk the walk. And I've been walking the walk, and I've been making the videos, and I've been joining the Amazon influencer program, right? So I checked this morning my Amazon dashboard, and I'm at $1,000 in commissions in the last 28 days, bro.
That's crazy. It increased by a lot.
$1,000 in the last 28 days, and $96 is from on-site commission. So already from the Amazon influencer program, and I only have 250 views.
Damn. Do you know which products? Like you did some books, like the boots. Like which one gave the most
Everything, bro.
commissions?
Everything is selling. Inversion boots, chainsaws, books,
Chainsaw.
sound bars, monitors, bro. Like $1,000 already in the last 28 days. It's just really like
But that's
it's
it
cool.
compounded a lot of it compounded a lot because I think 3 weeks ago you had like 60 or something, right?
No, yeah, yeah. Well,
On the
it was
on-site.
like last I made like 330 last month, and it's already now at 1,000. So it like basically increased by 3 times in a matter of 1 month.
That's good. That's the compounding. So it also happens on Amazon, not just on YouTube.
Yeah, unfortunately, I won't be able to show my Amazon influencer dashboard because it's against the terms of service. So you know,
Publicly, but you can show it in community.
well, yeah, but the thing is like you're not basically allowed to share, so I don't want to get like on bad terms with Amazon and just kind of share publicly my dashboard. But just take my word on it. It's like at $1,000. Maybe, yeah. I don't know. I don't know what else to say.
Yeah, but that's great. So will you make more
Yeah.
videos about Amazon? What's the plan?
Yeah, so the goal is to really scale the Amazon thing, and when I now come back from Verona as well, like I'm here now, I'm going to Verona after this. When I come back, I will be doing more like real product review videos, like actually having the product in hand and actually reviewing it. Because, dude, like the RPM that you make, like the money you make on Amazon for, and if you're in the Amazon influencer program, is just insane. Like 250 views, $100. So your RPM is $400.
Yeah. And have you considered already doing like more competitive products? Like with more search volume?
Yeah, I will be. Yeah, I will. I want to do more products. I'm still learning about how the Amazon influencer program works, like why some videos get pushed more, like why some videos make more money and some don't. So as I'm going to be learning this, I'm also going to be sharing with you guys here in the podcast as well my learnings. So hopefully, if you're interested, you can do that as well.
Yeah, exactly. But that's like if you want to record like offline. Do you think you can do this faceless as well? Like you have done faceless, like Amazon review videos, but like listing the benefits like
Yeah.
on text on screen. Is it also allowed on Amazon, or do you really need to have the product in hand?
I think you can do faceless. Like I bought this like neck mount, so where you can put your phone here and you don't need to have your face. You can just record like your hands doing it, like reviewing or talking about the product. So probably yes, but for now I haven't moved into that direction yet. For now I'm doing everything myself.
Yeah, 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 of course. But I'm curious, like if you're able to do it faceless as well, you can scale up pretty quickly, like by using freelancers.
Yeah, probably, but you will need to find like yeah. I will need to think about it. It probably requires like finding someone with a bunch of products and
Yeah,
paying
but
them
like
and getting them to
what
do
I
these
mean,
product
like you
reviews.
had Amazon videos before, review videos without having the actual product. You had images on screen.
Oh no, no, no! But you need to have the products in when you're showing on the
You need
video,
to show it physically.
of course.
Ah, okay. Yeah, I don't know. Like a review is a review.
You need to show the products.
Yeah, okay. That sucks. But that's great for you, the results.
Yeah, thank you.